Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is an updated video on the situation of the Spectre and Meltdown security flaws that were discovered in the Intel CPUs and also across a wide variety of CPUs and processors. So here's the information. I wanted to basically update all the information about every platform basically that you might be using. Here's the thing. If you are using a, so there's Meltdown and Spectre, two different security flaws. Windows users, right now, if you have the latest updates in your Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10 machines, you're okay with Meltdown. Meltdown was a fix that was done through the operating system. It's okay if you have the latest updates. You've got Meltdown fix. If you're on a Mac computer, you have received through your updates in the Mac operating system a Meltdown and Spectre fix. So you guys are okay with that on Mac computers. If you're on an iPhone, an iPad, you are safe if you're at the latest version of iOS 11 because it fixed the problems with Spectre and Meltdown. If you are on an Android phone, for example, I got a Galaxy S7. If you have the February updates, security updates applied to your device, you are safe. It applied the Spectre and Meltdown fix for Android also. If you have an older device that doesn't update, that's more of an issue, and there's some risk involved in here. Now, for the Spectre side on Windows, there was a very complex issue for Spectre because first was like, okay, we need a BIOS update. That's kind of complex. Most people don't do it or don't know how to do it. Then there was, okay, Intel issues microcode, but it's super complicated to actually understand what's right or not and how to apply it. Microsoft, thankfully, came to the rescue. It said, you know what, we are going to actually have the fixes for the Intel processors through a update that you see here is KB4090007. So remember 007, you know, James Bond. Basically, this update will fix your Intel processor as it is available, because right now the only fix that they have on that update is Skylake 6th generation Intel Core processors. And so there will eventually be more of this. Also, it's working right now only on Windows 10 with the latest Fall Careers update, but we pretty much expect Microsoft to actually send a fix eventually to Windows 7 and Windows 8 computers also. So, of course, it's going to be the idea behind this is mostly to wait when the update actually fixes more generations of processors. So, as that will arrive, I will of course post updated video about it. This will fix the Spectre flaw by actually fixing or changing, modifying two DLL files on the computer in Windows that actually have to do with the microcode for Intel. Now, if, you know, a lot of people are scared saying, hey, you know, I'm scared that because I still don't have a Spectre flaw fix. And one of the things that, of course, is the problem here is I do understand that the Spectre flaw is a major problem, but here's why you need or not need to go crazy over this. It's very simple. The Spectre flaw in Windows is not that easy to exploit now, because one of the things and one of the measures that happened is that the web browsers and the web browser that you use, if it's updated to the latest version, is actually going to protect your PC somewhat. The web browsers have been modified to make it more difficult to exploit the Spectre flaw. So that means, you know what, you shouldn't be too bad using your PC with the Spectre flaw issue. So don't go crazy and don't think that, oh, well, I won't use my PC because I might get, you know, a problem, or I might get burned by because of this flaw. It isn't that easy to exploit, so don't be too scared, and if you're careful on the internet, you should be okay. So of course I will update this video as more processors get fixed with this microcode for Intel. So keep in touch. We will try to basically have you learn as much as possible and tell you how to fix your PC as time gets by. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.